Today we're out here with Hubsan X4 Plus Hornet. It's very ferocious. It's a toy quadcopter. What I noticed about this thing, farting around with it in the house a little bit, was that when you go to get it going, you have to start the transmitter first. You start the transmitter, and then you plug the battery into the quadcopter and set it down on the level surface. And it'll do it all, its stuff by itself. And it's one of them ones where you got to hold the button down and move this to do the flip. It doesn't have any top buttons up here for the flips. You just hold the stick down and then move this in the direction that you want to flip. So that's how that works. This is really an indoor quad, but I like to fly these things outside. I put it in the higher rate. I can do the indoor flights in the winter, okay? I don't want to be stuck in the house doing these flights on these things if I don't have to be. So, as long as it's not windy, I'll just bring these indoor ones outside and fly them. It just was raining here a couple of seconds ago. That's how you do the flip right there. You just hold the button in like this. Let me get it up a little higher because it has a tendency to dive down. So you hold the button in and then put the direction in you want to go. So that's how it works. We'll fly it around here just to see what the battery life's going to be. It's pretty quick. I don't know what the range on something like this is. I'm sure it's just a couple of raindrops falling. I'm sure it says it in the manual, but I never got that far. Oh, the rain's starting to come down a little harder, so I might have to pack it in here. But we'll hang for a few minutes. Watch, you'll see it catch on fire because of the raindrops. Who knows? Yeah, it's coming down pretty good now. So adios, Hubsan. Seems to be drifting a lot too. You see it going over there all by itself? Maybe some water got in it or something. It's acting all kinds of weird right this second. The pitch is not going to the left that much. It wants to go to the right like crazy. But to the left, it doesn't want to. Oh well. Maybe I can recalibrate it. It doesn't feel like it got a few drops of water on there, nothing major. Doesn't seem to have one of them calibration type deals where you hold the stick one way or another. It's raining heavier now, so I'm going to have to pack it in. I don't want to damage my freaking iPhone or nothing. Oh well, that's the way it goes, guys. A short flight of the Hubsan. See you later, rain. All right, guys, have a nice day.